Hi, I want to do this short little video. Everybody knows somebody that does drugs, whether legal or illegal. And I want to let you guys know that I can save you money on legal drugs, prescription drugs. I can save you between 30 and 75% on prescription drugs. Just go to drugsreduced.com. That's drugsreduced.com and save between 30 and 75% on drugs. Like I said, everybody knows somebody that does drugs. Whether it's legal or illegal, I can save you money on the legal ones. You go to my website, you go to the top, you can print the little form out, you take it to your pharmacist, to the clerk, and they'll save you 30 to 75% on drugs. Help grandma out, help grandpa out. Print that out, go to drugsreduced.com and help somebody out. Help yourself out. Get some drugs. Bye.